Okay, we want to record and demonstrate how this hat, this LED hat works. So I'm going to turn it on. So you will see the LED working. You see that identifier of the hat, and then the message with more biz, and the phone number 949, the area code, and then the number itself 6673.243, which matches the domain name with more and the domain name extension with more biz. So now I'm going to wear it and turn on some other recordings here. One of them is already running, so I'm going to start recording from this recorder, and I'm going to take the 360 camera and place it in front of me. Our main topic is using Piggyback, and Piggyback is recognition. I'm going to turn another recorder here. This is a Cyberlink UCam, and in addition to that, I have here Webcam Max, which is a video camera software, and MSN Recorder Max. And in addition to that, I'm going to turn another recorder here, which is a screen recorder, step recorder, and I'm waiting to get it to work. I want to verify that it is set to 999 screenshots. As I'm starting a new recording, I'm adding also the video file name that is produced by the webcam software and paste it. It includes the word my video, the date 25 for the year 2025, 05 for the 5th day of May, and the 5th month of May, and 27 the 27th day of the month, dash, and then followed by a day, a time. 07 is a military time, 7 o'clock in the morning. 07:31 is a 31 minutes and 32 seconds, and I click OK to continue. So now we have the screen recorder working. What I wanted to demonstrate is on the phone, turn the phone again and swipe and go back to the application. I want to close Google and all the advertisers and go back to Piggyback and hope that it will work, because I want to demonstrate how I'm going to share it. So the sharing button is on the right hand side. So I'm going to press the share button. The next thing, I want to scroll over the message to the end of the message and then click share again. And then I want to share the video. So I'm going to press the video, share video button. And then select the email address, ARush, and then click the button, the send button. So this is the algorithm for sharing the Piggyback output with my email address, later to be downloaded and added and posted to wherever I want. In this case, it will be YouTube, and the narrative will go to the YouTube description. So I repeat again, the algorithm of sharing is pressing the share button right here at the bottom of the message, and then click share description, and then click the email address, and then click the send button, and done. So to go back to the normal screen, you see those are the advertising that help fund this PickyBot video recognition application. So now I go back, click the back arrow, and I'm back to my normal situation in which I can record a video of what I'm doing, a regular video, select camera, and select record, and just tuck it in my lanyard, just like this, and then distance it from my body by pulling down the legs of the lanyard and tightening the knobs so it doesn't move out of control, so I can conclude this presentation. So I'm going to demonstrate how I'm documenting it here locally and turn the camera 180 degree. This is the 360 camera, 180 degree towards the computer. So the dome of the camera or the second lens is facing me. And now I can extend and explain what it is. This was the dump truck, garbage dump truck, garbage crane dump truck. Okay, so this is the garbage crane. I didn't eat to the word crane. Turn on more lights here. Dump truck. And now I'm going to save it to a subfolder that is called log and is dated. So I copy it from above, from the yesterday log, edit, copy, insert it at the beginning of the string, and now update it. Today is the 27th, so I'm updating it to 27th, 2025. The day of the week is Tuesday instead of Sunday. Tuesday. And the time of the day is 7:40 a.m. That is the current time. So we'll change the previous time, 7:30 a.m. And the time that we started was 7:20 a.m. So 7:20 a.m. You notice on the video file it says 7:31, but I started 10 minutes early to put on the equipment, which is my hat with the LED, my lanyard with the phone streaming the video, and most important is the video glasses, all together working in sync with the 360 camera, standalone camera, and multiple internal recordings. Let's start from the screen recorder, MSN Recorder Max. The next one is Webcam Max that records from a 360 camera above my head, as opposed to the third recorder is a CyberLink, which is another webcam using the built-in camera in this Dell machine, Windows 10 Enterprise. And finally, the last but most important is the PSR, problem step recorder. So now I'm going to save the recording. Oh, in my notepad, the single most important is my note, edit copy to the clipboard buffer, and file save as to the clipboard buffer with today's information. So paste it over last time's information and then click save. And now that I saved it to the hard drive, so one copy is the text-based file, number one, numero uno. The second one I'm going to record is that a step recorder, PSR, problem step recorder, and I'm going to add a comment with a text file name. So paste the text file name in the highlight area and comment dialog box of PSR problem step recorder. And now I'm going to stop problem step recorder, turn the camera a little bit to the left, the 360 camera, and waiting for the save operation. So I'm going to click the save operation and then paste the text file name on that line. But here we want to change a couple of things. Number one, I want to insert the word period ZP to indicate that this is a zip type of a file. And secondly, I want to change the path to the psr.exe path to indicate that this is a problem step recorder subfolder. Mark the subfolder after I have inserted the path to the clipboard buffer and then paste over it the new path. And now I got the complete zip type of file in the psr.exe folder. Now I'm reviewing it one more time to make sure that everything is okay, which it looks like it is. Copy to the clipboard buffer first, and then save it to